Sure.
Hi folks, Brent's back here. As you can see, I'm not in my own garage this time because we got rained out.
All that.
Oh yeah, look at all the good stuff here.
Yeah.
Memories and pictures and all sorts of junk. This is my parents' old shop where my brother's car sits. My dad's old truck sits. But this is our task for today.
Dave Marcus autographed.
Oh yeah,
Hero
I should
card.
talk about that. Yeah, autograph
Marcus.
local stuff. Dave Marcus autograph thing. We got folks down here.
Yes.
I know I just went off on a tangent, but whatever. There's cool shit here. Anyway,
Cool stuff.
this is the project
Blur.
for today. Yeah, I'll blur it
Blur.
out. There's nothing to see here anyway.
Blur. Watch your own bobber, people. Blur and blur.
So we're working on my brother's car.
We're working on blur today.
Just don't look at any of this. It's not good. But this is going to go to New Hampshire Motor Speedway. What date? 16th, 17th?
April 16th and 17th.
Yep. So
Mom's
this
birthday.
is what we're working on. We're swapping motors, and yeah, we got to put a whole freaking side on the car and stuff. So this thing needs a lot of work. There's a list here. I don't even want to see how long it is.
Well,
We'll figure it out.
see.
I forgot to introduce my brother Jesse,
Oh,
by
hi.
the way. Yeah, there you go.
Hi everyone. I promise not to swear.
Okay. Because I'd have to edit it out for the YouTubers. All the chillins on YouTubes. So yeah, I built this car out of an older car. God, what, 2013?
See now.
I basically reframed
This
the
is
thing.
a safety feature. You see the rust all along that? That's a safety feature because the layer of rust itself is actually preventing more corrosion to get in.
Oh,
It's
and
like your
plus,
bridges and stuff.
well, you don't want paint on it because paint is weight.
Yeah.
So
It's safety.
we're gonna stab this motor in, and we're gonna get it running. It is 6 hours later. We started at noon and then took a break. But the engine's in. We had an issue with the pilot bearing being bad, transmission not going in. Then we couldn't get the engine in past the headers. Then the motor mounts wouldn't work. Nothing would bolt on. This is the state we are at right now. If I could back up, the small garage, it's hard to... Anyway, got the engine in. Working on plug wires, coolant leaks. You gotta get the carburetor on. I mean, usually, like, for me, swapping an engine out in my car takes an hour, maybe. It's not so bad. But this thing, it's been bad. It's been really bad. And I spared you all a very big, boring, tedious, awful amount of time. So, if you can see by the state of my disgusting shirt, that will never ever come clean again. This is the greasiest, most disgusting thing that I've ever worked on, but I can't complain because it used to be mine. So, we're still plugging away, and I think we'll go back to time lapse and show you us finishing it up, and then we'll come back for the startup. Okay, try that first start. No fan. Oops. Switch on? Yeah. So is that then? That's the fan. That's the light. That's the ignition. Here. Crank it. I got no spark here, unless that thing doesn't work. Oh. Sleep deprivation got to me. I put the battery on the tack and the tack on the battery. You idiot. I hope this actually goes on properly. Try that. I got a light. Try it. This thing is cranking too slow. Let's turn the jump pack on. Let's try that. Just not enough juice, not enough timing probably, who knows. Let's try that. I bet you it's 180 out. Try it again. I don't know what's going on. Is that fuel? I poured fuel in the bowl, but it should have lit off by now.
And we got 8 spark plugs in.
Yeah, I got the plug wires on in order. I got.
I'll take the
Time out. Take 2. I don't know what's up, but let's try it again. Is the battery switch on? I mean, the jump pack on? Yeah. Switch on? Okay. No. Not even trying to fire. Oh, by the way, I forgot to put the spark plug back in, but it still would fire if you forgot it. You know what I mean?
right.
I'm just wondering why. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Switch off, roll it again. Yeah. Can you bump it for me? Don't. Oh, there it is. Just tap it. I'll take a look. I mean, compression stroke is compression stroke. That's spark stroke.
Exhaust. So it sounds weird.
I can hear the engine. I don't know.
Well, we both know that it needs more.
Try it again.
timing too far.
Oh, now we're dead.
Did you turn the switch on?
Yeah. Wonder if it has fuel.
That's a lot of timing. It's like 40, but it won't run anywhere less than that. So it's like, okay, we got a little tuning to do.
Okay.
Doesn't sound terrible. You have a temperature gauge? I can go on it and check all the cylinders. Actually, there's so much grease on this thing. We'll probably just look and see where it's not burned off. Hey, look at
That's
that.
what you shall receive, motherfucker.
Don't swear on my channel.
Oh, sorry. Melon Farmer. I didn't realize real life.
That one's a little chilly.
Yeah.
Not bad. Could be worse. Oh, looks good. On all 8.
Okay.
So we got to figure out something with the timing
Okay.
because it's not idling very well. So we'll have to figure something out with that. And then we got to get the carburetor adjusted just a little bit. But she runs. What'd she make for oil pressure?
It was like when you revved it up to above 1,000, it was making about 63 pounds.
Holy crap!
Yeah.
That's really good.
No, it's really good.
Wow. Built a good motor
viewers,
here.
don't worry about all this steam. That's all the grease that's all over this car.
Oh, it's not. Oh, we didn't check the water. It looks good though. It's right at the top.
Yeah.
So
It's just the grease that's all over the car. Burning off.
cool.
Excellent.
All right, so we got a little tuning to do. No big deal.
Okay. So that's off.
All right. So that took all day, but we finally got it running. Jesse's very happy and standing in exhaust smoke, probably losing all his brain cells while the
What's left of them?
Wide World of Sports from '82 plays.
What's left of the brain cells?
The list still looks kind of long, but to be honest with you,
It's mostly body.
it's mostly body. You can even knock off, lubricate all moving parts because literally my entire shirt and everything I wear is covered in all the grease you used on it.
That's right. I still have brake parts to lubricate.
Okay,
No, you
so
lubricate, you do it correctly.
yeah, oh man, I don't know. We couldn't get the thing to fire, and so we changed the spark plug wires one spot over each, and it fired right up. So I guess we just had the timing
I
off
guess
a
what
little
was-
bit.
The letters that were written on it were correct.
Yeah, I thought they were one off, and apparently they aren't.
No,
They're
they weren't. They're
correct.
actually correct.
So yeah, we're pretty excited. Jesse hasn't been in a race car in over a year.
I didn't
And,
go anywhere in 2020, but 2020 I don't count that as a real year.
That's not a real year. So
So forget about it.
yeah, so I ran a few times at Stafford, but whatever. It wasn't a true season.
I
But
didn't run much in 2019 either. So
we're gonna get the old girl going again. So that thrash is over. Feel free to comment below. Feel free to subscribe. Help me grow this channel a little bit. If we can get this thing monetized, I can help pay for Jesse's race car. Let's put him on the racetrack here. So, well, if I get enough out of it, but that's gonna take a hell of a lot of work.
Screw the homeless. Put me out in race cars.
Correct. So we were supposed to be practicing today, but it is pouring outside, and I am visibly, because you can tell, red-faced, sweaty, disgusting mess. Again, working on race cars is not easy work sometimes, but
This is fun, right?
this is supposed to be fun.
This is fun.
Yeah, it's supposed to be fun.
Remember,
Yeah, I'm not going to complain about working on race cars
Blur
and
that
stuff.
out. Don't forget,
Blur this out.
Blur
Blur
this
all this
out.
out. Blur all the secrets out.
Blur the secrets out.
Yeah. All right. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And until next time, see you later. Thanks a lot.